This is Total Telecom at CommunicAsia. I'm talking to Mark Rooney of Inview. Mark, first time here and a very exciting new product you've announced.
Absolutely, and this is tailor-made for Asia. I mean, what Inview are about are offering operators and broadcasters a software solution so that they can offer their customers and offer their facilities for some really good interactive electronic program guides and also connected TV IP experiences. And we're doing that on a range of boxes from low cost to high cost, and we're able to cover it well, and it suits this market perfectly.
Yeah, and this is actually your launch in Asia as well as the new product.
Absolutely, and the thing about Asia is that there is a wide variety of different requirements in different countries, but because we can really go on to the entry-level side of things or the high-end things with our software, it means that whether it's a country that's got high penetration of broadband or low penetration, we've got something for all these people because we offer a range of different services as part of that, whether it's targeted advertising or it's broadcast-only boxes or putting boxes out into the market that can be upgraded later, or it's at the very high end.
Yeah, now Inview is a new name here in Singapore, but in Europe and elsewhere, you've got quite a pedigree, haven't you?
We've been in digital television for over 15 years. I mean, we started with having, dumb boxes with PVR, and we've gradually migrated across the whole area so that you have IP connected products. It involves a very, very complex ecosystem, working with the silicon vendors, working with the manufacturers, and really establishing ourselves over that period of time. And of course, if you count digital years as dog years, it's a really long time. But for Asia, the time is absolutely now, and it's right for us.
Yeah, what particularly excites you? Where do you see the major potential?
Well, if you look at over-the-top services, which is what we're enabling, whether on a low box or on a high box, the key is the sort of content that can be on it. Now, we first of all enable all the linear content and the internet content to be interwoven seamlessly. So that's very, very straightforward. But when you start looking at some of these apps, then you start looking at things like education. On top of the video on demand, the audio on demand, we have a karaoke app actually, which we know is going to be very popular here. We have social networking, but the educational tools and the things like that for Asia start to become very important. And again, that's another aspect that this region probably has much more of a focus on than perhaps other areas in the world.
Okay, well, I'll keep away from the karaoke app. I'm sure my wife will be very pleased if I don't get involved with that. But best of luck with the new product.
Thank you very much, Brian.